All right, team. So the next thing that we have is a dealer in the DealerOn CMS is going to be the site content tab, which we see right here. Now everything that we're going to see in this main dashboard, banners, specials, staff, leads, reports, inventory, email setup, and the image manager will all be found underneath the site content tab. We give that a click and jump in here. The main screen is going to lead us to is basically all of your pages are going to be live on the website. So everything that you're going to see in dark gray here, the home, the new, we scroll down, work trucks, used. These are going to be your navigation items on your actual page. And as we jump over here to the Coghlan Johnstown store, we're going to see home, new, work trucks, used, all your navigation items, right? And if we jump back to the DealerOn CMS here, everything that is located underneath are going to be your drop-down items. Now, when it comes to that time that you guys are ready to create a custom page, you have that ability. And if you come over here to add page and give that a click, it's going to ask you what kind of page that you're actually looking to create. Custom content with inventory, a custom iframe, custom model research page, custom OEM content, an external link. So if you did have a collision center you need to link up, you could absolutely do that. And as well as a local link. Once you go ahead and decide what page you're looking to build here and give that a click, I ask you to title the page, put a URL in, and then as well, do you want to hide the page, sitemap it only, or show the page? Now, once you do create a page, it's going to display at the bottom of that specific section that you're in. If you do need to reorder that section, you come over here to reorder section. And this value of trade, for example, if we did need to move that up to the top, it's just as simple as clicking and dragging and moving that around. Of course, once you're done, go ahead and click Save Order. And once you're ready to start putting some content on that actual page that you created, for example, we have this Columbus Ford F-150 here. If we go ahead and give that a click on the edit icon, it's going to bring you into block 1. So this would actually be an example of custom content. This is going to lead you right into our HTML reader and what we would call our WYSIWYG editor. Now, currently we're seeing it in the HTML format. So if you guys are comfortable with HTML, CSS, that lingo, you have the ability to build these pages out yourself. So H1 tags, 2, H3, and as you're coming down, if you did have any replacement code, anything like that, you're going to see that all right here. Now, of course, if we go and click the Visual Editor button right here, and we'll give that a click, it would bring you into what we do call our WYSIWYG editor. So it brings everything to life. We're going to see our photos, our H1 tags. If there were any links that we actually had in here, you're going to see these live as well. And as we come down, if there's any replacement code, you're going to see that there. Once the page is built and you're curious what it's going to look like, if you come back to the top here and click this yellow button, Preview, it'll show you what the page is going to look like. And once you're good with that, we'll close out. And the other thing is the Edit SEO button at the top here. So this is something you guys have full access to. We'll jump into Edit SEO, give that a click. And you can actually manage this from the site content main screen as well. We'll show you that here in just a moment. But from here, you guys have the access to edit your title tags, your meta description, your custom page URL. So if at any time you need to change that, you absolutely could. Custom nav name, custom page heading. Once you're good there, hit Update SEO settings, reset cache, and that's going to push it live. We'll jump back to the site content tab right here. And from here, those things that we just actually made the edit on, SEO options is right here. Of course, the edit icon for the WYSIWYG editor is going to be here. And once that page is good to go, we're going to either click Enabled or Sitemap Only if it's something that you're building out for a specific campaign. Of course, Sitemapping Only is going to be a good option. Everything else that we've seen on that main dashboard can be found underneath the site content tab as well. So things such as your leads, your reports, your manage inventory tool, your image manager, your staff page, your specials, and your banners. Pretty much everything that you guys would ever have access to can be found underneath the site content tab. Stay tuned for some of the following videos.